It deeply cleanses the pores and helps to tighten them as well. Besides, it works great as a natural exfoliator for the skin to remove dead skin cells and dirt and oiliness. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY egg face mask for oily skin. You will need egg white 1 teaspoon. Egg whites are excellent to shrink pores and give you a tighter and firmer look. It controls oiliness and thus prevents acne and blackheads. Multani Mitti 1 teaspoon. It helps open up clogged pores and absorbs excess sebum from the skin. According to one study, Multani Mitti removes dirt and absorbs excess oil. Mint leaves juice 1 teaspoon. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of mint leaves prevent inflammation and also cure acne. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply this paste to your face for 20 minutes and rinse off with water.